Silver, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, as we can see, we had a correction here and this one, and the price drop. Now the thing is, we want to see whether this one continue and come to this low, or this is a correction, which is this one is relative to this. That means we get one move up. Okay, which one? Whether the continuation for down, or we should expect the up move. All right, we see what's the changes. Okay, as we can see, based on the forward chart, we have the price is correcting here. All right, that means we don't have the confirmation whether the price can move up or down move based on the forward chart. But what I can say here, because of this sharp move, maybe we can consider this move is finished. One correction, then that means if we want to look for the down move, we cannot trade this. Even the price from here drop sharply, we need to get the confirmation every time. So we want to trade, we want to get the confirmation. If I say confirmation, I mean at least trade setup, right? Because we don't want to jump into the market. See, how about here, the price drop, reverse, then change direction, just as example. All right, now we are not looking for the down move with this correction. If we want to look for down move, we need to better see better confirmation. But no, how can we get up move with what we have here? All right, we don't have any more information. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade it. Okay, based on the 1 hour chart, first of all, I want to refer to my last analysis when the price was exactly here. We say if we want to look for buy, one of the option was in 3 above this, but I mentioned if the price, this option is for the time the price doesn't come to this low, and I mentioned if the price come to this low, then in 3 above this is not valid. When the price come here, that means we didn't have any buy setup. The reason is, see, the price come here, reverse. If anyone is, they have this buy, they could take. All right, then we talk about the down move. If I mentioned if we want to look for the down move, we expect at least the price come to this level, reverse. We get the at least the simple correction or more complex correction. But when I see this sharp move here and reverse, then having a sell with this correction, what we explained in my last video, is not valid anymore. That means we are, if we want to look for the down move, we are not going to use this correction. All right, the thing is, this 1 2 3, we can consider this one already finished. But if the price, what we were expecting, the price comes somewhere around this low, not breaking this with the sharp. Anyway, now we want to see what's the next. I explained right now based on the forward chart. If we want to look for the down move, we cannot trade this correction. We wait for the more complex correction, give us a confirmation, and if the price sharply drop from here, I won't sell. Okay, but when we look at this chart, we see whether we can get the up move, and we will be more interested in the up move. Why? Because as I just explained, if we put this one in relative to this with this correction, this is a one move as a correction in relative to this. If we get this up move, is very good. We want to see whether we can look for up, and if we get the buy, the first target we consider here. Then from there we want to see continuation or how. Okay, then how we can look for the down up move, that means look for buy. Okay, in that case, we want to see whether we can trade this move and correction. We want to get the buy from here. Okay, in this case we move to 15-minute chart. Okay, based on the 15-minute chart, we want to see we have this move and this correction. We want to see whether we can get the buy setup or not. Based on what we have right now, we don't have the buy setup. I think it's best if we get this correction, the price drop here, then break this low, then from there we look for buy. If you want to buy within this, we need to get the trade setup, and one of the option can be above this. Okay, yeah, but if we want to trade above this, what we expect is a sharp move. Okay, and again, I don't suggest having entry above this. The reason I don't suggest is how we can, I mean the traders, they can manage it. This is the one of the option. Okay, but The reason I say I don't suggest for all the traders if they don't have experience. In case sharp come here and reverse, and if anyone wants to trade having an entry above this is one of the option. This is the times we get a sharp move and breakout. If it is the price come tag correcting or is not moving, okay, depends what type of the time frame you trading, then you should take out. Okay, then one of the option is having entry below above this. The best is let the price drop to this low, then from there we look for the up move. We want to see how this correction we can get. All right, and again we are looking for the up move. We don't have any trade set up right now, and as we explained, we see how we can trade it and what we are expecting the price come and break this high and continue. Okay, how about if we see the prices keep correcting? There is a possibility we get the more complex correction here. Even today is the Friday's end of the week. How about if we get the possibility we get this correction become more complex? Does mean we will be here for a quiet time? Yes. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade it, and if we get this trade, at least we expecting the price to come here. Then from there we need to see whether they continue or not, and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.